What do I want to eat?
Spaghetti?
Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Can you say spaghetti?
I can't say spaghetti.
Can you say mechanic?
I can't say that.
Come on, just try.
Mechanic.
Say mechanic. Mechanic. Can you say Mina's the greatest person in the world?
No, I can't say that.
Why?
Because you mean it.
So Mina's the greatest person in the world.
Mina's the person in the world.
You mumbled it.
You mumble?
So I jailbroke my phone.
No. You jailbroke your phone.
What is it? What does that mean?
Did
Did you just say a bad word?
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
What did you say right now?
I said spaghetti.
Oh, you didn't. Remember, my hands are cold. I love you.
I'm making a big castle.
For who?
For you?
For me to live in?
For me to live in?
For you to live in or for me to live in?
You.
What about me?
Not you then.
So not you, just me? Where are you going to live?
To Costco.
Oh, you're going to live in Costco?
Yeah, to buy the iPhones.
So you're going to go to Costco to buy an iPhone? So you're going to live there?
Yeah.
So you're
And
going
then come right back.
You're going to live there, come right back?
Yes, to buy my, but I'm going to get my iPhone, not your iPhone. You're not gonna play with my iPhones then.
Why?
Because you have to play with my iPhone.
Why?
Because I'm like a small gun.
Oh, you're so scary. No guns.
Why no guns?
Because guns are not good for you.
I like an ant.
You like a what?
You like an ant?
Ants? No, I don't like ants.
What do you like it?
I like...
Spaghetti?
Spaghetti?
Yeah?
I think I want to eat some spaghetti now.
Okay then.
Okay then.
Let's go. I need to go to Hal's house.
Mommy said I guess it's too late.
Why?
Because look at it outside.
Wow, there's the goat.
Stortam.
Yeah, the goat's gonna come in here.
And what is he going to do?
He's gonna eat this.
What about the one we halaled?
Huh?
What about the one we halaled?
Jabbar halal.
What did he do?
He wants a bandage to halal the goat, the big goat.
Really? Hold on.